America, they're lying to you to make money, and it doesn't matter if it's an oil baron in Texas or a sheik in Saudi Arabia, lying. And we're all paying the price. The richest people on earth have bankrolled a propaganda machine to buy and sell politicians like trading cards. So we're going to break it down. Right here behind me, I have 100 million years of the Earth's temperature. The blue cups are the cold temps. The red cups are the hot temps. And that yellow line is the Earth temperature for the last 100 million years. Now, when the fossil fuel propaganda machine likes to talk about climate change, they do things like mention cow farts, a tiny fraction of the problem, to make you think the whole thing is silly. Propaganda 101, oldest trick in the book, mock what you can't explain. They've had this science for years and buried it deep like a black hole, just like big tobacco. They want you to think that the Earth's temperature rises and decreases normally, but they never show you why. About 66 million years ago, an asteroid hit Earth, killing all the dinosaurs. When it hit Earth, it threw up smoke and debris, covering the Earth so the sun could not reach through, making Earth get much colder real quick, killing 75% of everything. Then, once the clouds cleared, all the greenhouse gases collected in our atmosphere, overheating our Earth. And that is a result because something happened. It's not, we don't have a moody Earth. It doesn't change its temperature. Something must happen. And then it took tens of millions of years for it to settle back in, a couple of volcanic eruptions, and then boom, the Industrial Revolution. Our current spike is bigger than when the asteroid hit. It's undeniable. You can see it with yourself. This is not rocket science. This is common sense. If you rolled a coal-burning furnace into a greenhouse that was growing strawberries, you know that it would heat up the greenhouse and kill them all. You wouldn't call it a natural cycle. You'd call it stupid. And above me is a display of all the climatologists in the world. Anywhere from 97 to 99% believe that the current spike is because of man, even NASA. And they know a few things about planets. But here's the problem. Some of you still want to believe in this one little yellow cup. And I'm here to tell you that you can get anybody to say anything for money. And that brings us to the last pyramid. This shows you the problem in the 2024 election if tens of millions of dollars flowed through both parties by the fossil fuel interest. When this kind of money comes in, the truth takes a backseat. It gets kicked out of the car. So maybe we can stop calling common sense woke and start calling your willful ignorance common nonsense. To blame China for this, when we had a 200-year head start, is just like blaming the immigrants for your problems. Lack of accountability. Cups talk, bullshit walks. I hope you learned something, and I'm always rooting for you.